How to add a Google Maps to Wix. In order to add a Google Maps to Wix, let's head over first to our Google Maps and then choosing here the actual location that you want to add. So for example, let's head over and choosing here this particular location that we have. So we have in here this beach resort right around there. So click onto this right there and then you should be able to open this. So just click onto the share option, click onto this embed a map. Then we have in here this. You can choose in here the actual size for this particular map. So you can also adjust it based on this in order to actually show up what this will look like into the map. So this is what I want it to look like. So for this, click onto this copy HTML, then head back to your Wix site. Click onto this plus icon. Then after that, go over to quick add, scroll down, and then just input right here the iframe. Drag and drop it right here, and then once it's done, click onto this enter code. Put in here the actual iframe that we have gotten from Google Maps and click on update. Now from in there, they should be able to load the Google Maps right here and we can now see it just like that. So that's how you add a Google Maps to Wix. Hope we helped.